Today we're working on the '06 Dodge Magnum. Our goal here is to get this thing ready for bass boat season. Now, this is the car that I use to tow my bass boat all year round. All-wheel drive HEMI does great, but it's got a few problems. The valve covers are leaking at the gaskets, so we're going to replace those. The driver's side is leaking bad enough to leak onto the actual exhaust itself, so that needs to get fixed. Passenger side, it's like a light mist, but it really smells when you hit the heat, and it just blows through the car. Now, we also do have low coolant. Now, late last year, I did replace the radiator fan. That went out at me at some point. I just never let the car idle. It worked fine all season long. So we need to address that. We also have the Christmas tree on the dashboard. Now, that is most likely the tone rings on the rear driver's side. So we'll replace that as well. And then we'll just kind of run through the vehicle, right? Full detail, full cleanup, and just kind of going through all the fluids. So let's get right into it. All right, now that we have this thing cleaned up, we can go ahead and start stripping parts off this. Grab just a flathead, start pulling the sensor off of that. This, I believe, is already pretty loose. Yeah. That's actually not attached. That hose can come off. Set that aside. Give that cone maybe a cleaning or a once over. We'll see. All right, so now we have much more room. We can go ahead and take that as well. That actually might be a bit of the leak. Interesting. So there's a leak there as well. So we'll go ahead and hose clamp that and we put that back on. Because that was just kind of sitting on there without any kind of, clampage. So now we can go ahead and start stripping off all of these. What I like to do is take the connectors off and then pull the coils, and then I'll go through and disconnect the fuel injectors, and at that point we should be able to pull the harness away enough to get the valve cover off. So let's go ahead and start on that. These are just little pinch. Simple as that. And then we take a 10 mil and take all of those off.
Welcome to unrealization. We can prepare to kill the operation.